students. Today we will revise our 15th chapter probability. Now in probability I told you what is the formula of probability. Probability of an event E is equal to favorable cases divided by total cases. So this is the formula to finding out a probability. Now what is a probability? A thing which can happen, and suppose if we have a coin, in case of one coin we have two cases, head and tail. Okay, so we can say that total cases is equal to 2. And if suppose we want to find out if we toss a coin and then we obtain a head, so in this case head cases, favorable cases is equal to when we obtain head. So how many cases of head exist here? Only one case. So one case is here. So total cases are 2 and favorable cases is equal to 1. So probability of this event, or we can say that probability to get head is equal to favorable cases divided by total cases. So 1 by 2 is the probability. Now next, today we will discuss about the cases of about a dice. Okay. Now if we have a dice, in case of a single dice, if in case of a one die, how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because we know that on a die there are number from 1 to 6. So these are the total cases. And suppose we want to throw a single coin, single die. So in this case only these cases we have. And at a time, if suppose we throw two dice, so in case of a two dice, how many cases we have? Suppose on a first die one number is fixed here, but on second die this number can be 1. So first case is 1 1. Similarly, if on the first die we got 1, but on the second die it can be 2. Next is 1 3, then 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. But this number is not fixed on the first die, because on the first die it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, or it can be 6. Similarly, on the second die it can be 1, it can be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6. Next is 4 1, 4 2, 4 3 up to 4 6, 5 1, 5 2 up to 5 6, 6 1, 6 2 up to 6 6. So these are the total cases if we have two die. So in case of a two die, total cases is equal to 36. Okay. If we have a single die, how many total cases we have? 6 total cases. If we have two dice, or we can say that if we want to throw a single die but twice, so in that case also we have total 36 cases. So this is the sample case. And next one is in case of a coin. In case of a coin we have two cases, one is head and second is tail. Suppose we want to toss two coins at a time. Okay, two coins at a time. It means on the first coin, suppose it is head, but on the second coin it can be tail or it can be head. Two cases are this one. And if suppose on the second case this head is fixed, but it can be tail on the first coin. If on first coin we obtain tail, but on second coin it can be tail or it can be head. So how many total cases in case of a two coin? In case of a two coin we have total cases is equal to 4. Okay. And suppose we want to throw three coin at a time. So in case of a three coin, how many total cases we have? So in case of a total cases, total coin, if we want to throw three coins at a time, first one is head, suppose second is head and tail. We can discuss all these cases because head and tail next one is tail head, next one is head, and next is head tail. But on the first coin, this thing is not fixed, that always we obtain head. It can be tail. So tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail. So how many total cases we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total cases in case of a 3 coin is equal to 8. So I told you how many total cases we have. In case of a single coin, total cases is equal to 2. In case of a 2 coin, total cases is equal to 4. In case of a 3 coin, total cases is equal to 8. Next one is in case of a single die, total cases is equal to 6. In case of a 2 die, total cases is equal to 36. Okay. So this topic is now next one we will talk about the, or we can say that we will discuss about all the questions based upon coin and a die. Now come to the question.